Hello, my beautiful people. Thanks for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for the last episode. If this is your first time here, I recommend watching the previous video where we talked about the rise of hip-hop. Now, let's put your knowledge to the test. Here we go. Did hip-hop start in California? No, hip-hop began in the Bronx, New York City. Was hip-hop created by wealthy musicians in studios? No, it was created by young people in poor neighborhoods with limited resources. Are DJing, MCing, breakdancing, and graffiti part of hip-hop culture? Yes, they're the four main elements of hip-hop. Is DJ Kool Herc known as one of the pioneers of hip-hop? Yes, he is credited with starting the first hip-hop block parties. Was hip-hop always meant just for dancing and fun? No, it also became a powerful tool for social commentary and resistance. Did artists like Run DMC and Tupac help shape the hip-hop movement? Yes, they were influential in spreading its message and style. Is hip-hop now only popular in the United States? No, hip-hop is a global phenomenon today. Does hip-hop require expensive musical instruments to create? No, it can be created with basic tools and raw creativity. Is storytelling an important part of hip-hop? Yes, storytelling through lyrics is a core part of the genre. Is hip-hop the most listened to music genre in the world today? Yes, it currently holds that title globally. Watch this video again to reinforce your learning. And make sure to subscribe so you're ready for the next exciting lesson on English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.